Quick fix part 17. If your clutch pedal feels squishy, or your clutch fluid looks black and disgusting like this, it's time to bleed and replace with some fresh fluid. First, locate your clutch fluid reservoir. It'll look something like this. Give the cap a good wipe, then twist and pop it off. Now grab a turkey baster, suck out the old fluid, dump it into an old cup, grab some new fluid. In most cases, that'll actually be brake fluid. And pour some in the reservoir until it's close to the top. Then drop the cap back on, but don't close it. Next, locate your transmission. On the side of that, you'll have the clutch slave cylinder. It should look something like this. Locate the bleed screw on the side, grab a flare nut wrench, pop them in place, then grab your professionally made bleed device, which is really just a bottle with a hole in the top, some clear vinyl tubing. One side goes in the top, make sure it's submerged in the fluid, and the other side goes on the bleed screw. Finally, grab an assistant, have him press and hold down the clutch pedal, crack loose the bleed screw, let some fluid flow out, then tighten back up the bleed screw, and let go of the clutch. Then just repeat that process, periodically checking and topping up the reservoir until the fluid comes out nice and clear.
Make sure you subscribe.